So, to conduct the distillation experiment, Nikita, what is the learning objective? We are separating a mixture of
alcohol and water.
Which are two. What is the state of these substances?
Liquids.
Both are liquids. And what are the two substances?
Ethyl
alcohol and
water.
What is the reason that we are using to separate these two mixed substances using distillation?
They have a great vary in the boiling point.
They have, I like that word, they vary in their boiling points. What is another way of saying it?
The difference.
Different boiling points. But at the different boiling points, there is a variation. So what is another word that I can use starting with D? Their boiling points are differently distinct. Or different distinct boiling points. Okay? And so I'm taking 70 ml of water. How do I know that this is water?
When you smell.
What is the test I can carry out?
Litmus test.
Okay, so this is water. Ms. Shruti has checked it, so I'm not checking that again. And there is 30 ml of
Ethyl alcohol.
ethyl alcohol. If you can smell ethyl alcohol to see that it doesn't smell like water, you can pass it on. So, at a particular point in time, how would I know that I have ethyl alcohol collected from this condenser? See, now this condenser has two exits. Can you see? There's a rubber foil that's connected to the water.
There's water in.
Okay, and then there is a
Water out.
Water out.
there is an exit for the water out. So I'm going to open this so that the water is just circulating. So can you see that there is an inside coil? Inside this condenser, there is a coil inside. The water is only circulating outside. Can you see the inside of the coil? So the water that is circulating on the outside of the condenser. So you can see that there is a change, and you can already see some water vapor formed.
Yes, ma'am.
On the bench tube. Okay, so as it starts boiling, when the temperature reaches about 50 degrees, and then 55, but definitely before 56, because of the boiling nature of the ethyl alcohol, the vapors will start forming. As the vapors reach up, and then it enters the condenser, the condensation becomes quicker. That is why you have the water circulating, to help the condensation process.
So it cools faster.
The cooling is faster, and then the ethyl alcohol vapors will again become a liquid. And ideally, I should have 30 ml of ethyl alcohol collected in the beaker that is here down. Okay, so let's see if that happens.